Welcome to Circuits Analytica. In this video, we will discuss a tutorial on transient analysis of RL circuits in S domain. For the following circuit, find I1 of t for all values of t greater than 0. So this is the given circuit. Initially, the switch is open and circuit is in steady state. In steady state, 2 Henry inductor acts as a short circuit. So this circuit can be redrawn as shown here. So I1 of t for all values of t less than 0 is equal to 2 volt divided by 2 ohms, that is equal to 1 ampere. And I2 of t is equal to 0 ampere. At t is equal to 0, switch is closed. So the given circuit can be redrawn as shown. The given circuit is in time domain. Let us transform the circuit from time domain to frequency domain. So in frequency domain, 2 Henry inductor becomes 2S in series with a voltage of value minus 2 volt. Apply KVL in loop 1, we will get 2 by S minus 2S I1 of S minus 2 minus 2 into I1 of S minus I2 of S is equal to 0. 2 by S minus 2S I1 of S plus 2 minus 2 I1 of S plus 2 I2 of S is equal to 0. So this equation can be redrawn as minus of S plus 1 I1 of S plus I2 of S is equal to minus of 1 by S plus 1. Equation number 1. Now let us apply KVL in loop 2. Minus 2 I2 of S minus 3S I2 of S minus 2 into I2 of S minus I1 of S is equal to 0. So we will get 2 I1 of S minus 4 plus 3S I2 of S is equal to 0. Equation number 2. So minus S plus 1 into I1 of S plus I2 of S is equal to minus of 1 by S plus 1, equation number 1. 2 I1 of S minus 4 plus 3S into I2 of S is equal to 0, equation number 2. So we can write I1 of S is equal to delta 1 by delta. And I2 of S is equal to delta 2 by delta, where delta is equal to determinant of minus S plus 1, 1, 2 minus of 4 plus 3S. Delta 1 is equal to determinant of minus of 1 by S plus 1, 1, 0, minus of 4 plus 3S. And delta 2 is equal to determinant of minus of S plus 1, minus of 1 by S plus 1, 2, 0. So delta is equal to 3S squared plus 7S plus 2. Delta 1 is equal to 3S plus 4 by S plus 7. and delta 2 is equal to 2 into 1 by s plus 1. So we will get I1 of s is equal to 3s squared plus 4 plus 7s the whole divided by 3s into s plus 1 by 3 into s plus 2. I2 of s is equal to 2 into s plus 1 the whole divided by 3s into s plus 1 by 3 into s plus 2. So we can write I1 of s is equal to a by s plus b by s plus 0.33 plus c divided by s plus 2. We will get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 1.2 and c is equal to 0.2. So we will get I1 of s is equal to 2 by s minus 1.2 divided by s plus 1 by 3 plus 0.2 divided by s plus 2. So I1 of t is equal to Laplace inverse of I1 of s, that is equal to Laplace inverse of 2 by s minus 1.2 divided by s plus 1 by 3 plus 0.2 divided by s plus 2. So I1 of t is equal to Laplace inverse of 2 by s minus Laplace inverse of 1.2 divided by s plus 1 by 3 plus Laplace inverse of 0.2 divided by s plus 2. Finally, we will get I1 of t is equal to 2u of t minus 1.2 e raised to minus 0.33 t u of t plus 0.2 e raised to minus 2t u of t.